We take the cruise to the 8th mile track and end up oiling down the track.
Blow it up?
No,
You got coolant coming out of it, bro.
I do. Well, we got oil all over the place.
What went wrong? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt. It is race day. We're going to take the car to the 8th mile track. I'm gonna do a quick oil change on the car. We've got a tow dolly back there. We're ready to go. So let's go to the track. Well, here we are at HMP. Got the car unloaded, tossed it on the U-Haul dolly. Now I just need to get it tech inspected and we'll go get in line. It's gonna be fun. All right, let's pull her around the tech inspection. Taken care of. Okay, we're getting in line. They had a little bit of a wreck at the end, so they had to do a little bit of cleanup. I'm just gonna drive the car down the track, you know, let it run through the gears. Not going to try and launch too hard. Pretty sure it will get up into the 20s as far as boost goes, so I'm going to keep an eye on my air fuel and we'll have a little bit of fun. See what kind of times we can lay down. Got some activity over here with this wheelie machine. Got a little squirrely at the top end. Had no traction.
Blow it up?
No.
You got coolant coming out of it, bro.
I do.
Yeah. I got it trailed. And you just kept driving.
Uh-oh.
So you got it all the way down the whole track. Shit.
Well, we got oil all over the place. Oiled the track down. I'm not even sure where this is coming from. I'm just like, I don't even know where the hell it's coming from. It's like everything's just covered in oil.
Yeah.
Well, it is the next morning. Let's see if we can't figure out where the hell this oil is coming from. Last night I took a peek. There's no windows in the block. Engine's still running fine, but let's find out. Well, the turbo's looking fine. No real shaft play. Nothing crazy. My suspicion is this guy right here. Ugh, man, there's just oil everywhere. Probably might have to put a new belt on it for security. See, it's pulled up back there. I can kind of tell starting from here. It's just all on this side, so seems like the oil sprayed from the line, so we'll have to figure out something there. All right, I power washed the engine and I have found our culprit. Check this out. I topped the car back off with oil and Unplugged our coils just to build up some pressure. Started leaking oil again. I come looking at the fitting here. Nothing. Everything looks great. Notice the oil was right here on our radiator hose, just leaking down. And here's our problem right here. These cheap Chinese VVT solenoids. The thing just came apart, so now we just have a free flow supply of oil shooting out of the engine. My engine oil pressure sensor is right up here at the top, so if I start losing oil pressure to the top end, I know something's up. So at some point it must have still been on there for it to just build enough pressure, like when you put your thumb over a water hose and it spray all over the place. However, it has completely came off, I imagine probably at the top end of the track. I do have some genuine GM valves. I think I'll end up creating something that is some sort of plug for that because we no longer need it. However, for now, I'm going to put a GM sensor in there, in which I had cut the ends off this one some time ago to clear room for this turbo. So we'll just make that swap, clean this oil back up, and problem solved. Well, we have the car all squared away. This video did not go anything like I thought it would. Thought I would get multiple runs in, try and get some good times down, play with the timing, see if the car got faster by adding some timing to the car, ignition timing that is, see if we're getting more and more power. But what I did learn from this video is we're gonna need more tire. Even if I did do a burnout, which I didn't do, we just don't have enough meat on the tires of this car, so that's something I'll have to address. What I'll end up doing is getting some drag slicks for the car. The problem with the current wheels on the car, they are 16 inches, which there's not a whole lot of options. I need to figure out a 15-inch wheel situation, in which there are some wheels I'm looking at, but I'll have to get the bolt pattern re-drilled, so that's another service that I'll have to pay for in order for those drag slicks to work with the car. And then if we add drag slicks to the car, we'll probably end up breaking some axles. So I'll reach out to the drive shaft shop. That's not easy to say, drive shaft shop. I do know that they make some strong axles, something that will hold up to the power of this car. Not even sure what that is. I'm guessing it's probably northwards of 300 horsepower if I had to guess, at 20 plus pounds of boost. So lots of little things we need to keep upgrading on this car, or major things really, tires, axles, and in the next video I've got some upgrades that came in, so that way we can push the boost even further, get it into the 40s as far as the PSI goes. So lots of cool stuff. Oh, and I also learned in this video, I chew too much damn gum in my videos. I really do that just kind of to help with my nerves and nervous situations, where before I would lean on drinking to kind of calm my nerves. So it's all progress. It's all progress, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it's not how I thought this video would end, but it is what it is. I had fun taking the car out, towing it, getting to make a run, and we're really testing things and fixing things as they break. And it's all part of the process. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.